Friends, here our concept is installing required Python 3.8.x on Windows operating system. See, if you want to install any Python version on Windows operating system, first of all, we have to open official website of Python, which is python.org. Now let me open that. So simply type python.org and here select downloads, and whenever if you select downloads, by default it will display the latest version of Python. As of now, this is Python 3.9.0, and the important point here is Python 3.9 or plus cannot be used on Windows 7 or earlier. That means you have to use greater than Windows 7 operating system. Even this is applicable for Python 3.8. Anyway, we need Python 3.8 and that is not displaying here, so simply select all releases and scroll down. See, these are the available Python major versions. So we need Python 3.8 and here I am going to select Python 3.8 latest version. So if you scroll down, so here we can see all the Python versions, and here as of now Python 3.8.6 is the latest version from Python 3.8. So simply click on that and then scroll down. So here we have different options to download your Python software. And here we are installing Python on Windows operating systems. So be clear, to install your Python 3.8 on your Windows operating system, your Windows operating system must be greater than Windows 7. See, here let me show you my operating system details. So simply click on this PC, then give right click and then properties. See that this is Windows 10. And one more thing, system type is 64-bit operating system. That's why here I am downloading 64-bit software. Anyway, here we have multiple options. As of now, I am going with executable installer. So simply click on that. It will download your Python software. So once it is downloaded, simply click on show in folder and then select that and then give right click and select run as administrator. So once if you select run as administrator, it will ask confirmation yes or no. So simply say yes. Then it will display installation window. And here we have two options to install your Python. One is install now, second one is customize installation. So here I will go with customize installation because I want to change the path, default path of Python. So if you select install now, your Python will install in this location. But I want to install in the different location. That's why I'm going with customize installation. And one more thing, whether if you're going with install now or customize installation, just click on add Python 3.8 to path so that after installing your Python, you can work with your Python from any location on your Windows operating system. That's it. Now I enabled add Python 3.8 to path, then I'm selecting customize installation. So I'm going with all options as default options. The only thing is I'm going to change this default installation location. Instead of this, what I am doing here is see users, my username, then I am removing this path. Just simply I am keeping under my user Python, then Python 3.8. That's it. So simply click on install. So it will take some time to install your Python software. So setup was successful. So simply click on close and then open Windows command line by selecting Windows or run option, then type command and then enter. So here simply verify your Python installation by typing python space ---- version and also pip space ---- version. And one more thing, once your Python setup has been done on your Windows operating system, by default your Python will give one IDLE, which is integrated development environment. So using that we can practice our Python. So let me open that. Simply click on Windows button on your keyboard and then search for IDLE, or by default it is showing here. So instead of that, simply search for IDLE. Now this is Python IDLE. Just click on that. It will open Python shell. So this is Python shell. And from here, we can also open one editor simply by selecting file and then by clicking on new file. So here we can write our Python code and we can execute it by going with the run option. So how to do that we will see in our later videos. But as of now, observe that this is Python shell. And same shell we can also open from our Windows command line simply by typing Python and then enter. That's it. So this is also same as this one. That's it. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video.